This is our math skill support kit that focuses on place value through the billions. The first item in our kit is this place value reference card. It shows students that it's all about the place value to figure out how much the numeral or number is worth. On the opposite side, it also teaches them that you can separate the place values with the commas and using this little house symbol. It also teaches them how to say the numbers correctly. Next is our place value slide and learn. It features houses numbered 0 through 10 and a little bike that moves along the path. The story behind this slide and learn is if you live at house 0 and you're going to a party at house 10, but it starts to rain on your way, when should you turn back home and when should you move ahead to the party? We all know that once you get to house 5, it's equal distance to the party and to home, so you're better off to just go to the party. Next, we have our place value spinner board. This will be used in the dry erase book that I'm showing you, or can be used independently. We start with ones and move across till we get to 100 million. This is a great interactive way for students to come up with the numbers to put in each place value. Next, we have our turn and earn game. The cover card features instructions on the back, and students play this in a way where they look at the numeral that is underlined compared to the other players, and in this case, the 8 is in the tens place and the 7 is in the ones place. So the person with the largest number or the smallest number, depending on how you're playing, will win both of the cards. The last item in our kit is this dry erase book, which I absolutely love. Here's a couple sample pages for you. Rounding raffle tickets. How much fun is that? And then place value puzzles. So the students look at a couple of the boxes that are already filled in, and they have to find what should be in the other boxes or pieces of the puzzle. To check their answers, they simply slide the decoder along the bottom. This helps them to become independent and confident when using this dry erase book. This whole kit is full of fun and interactive items that will help students master place value through billions.